it continues to sell what dairy products it sells. So in a sense, the life is same as usual. We are launching many brands. If you look at television today, we just launched a oats brand called Kosh. We have launched a brand called Tasty Treat. We have a beverages brand called Sunkist. So we have multiple brands. We are building up various brands, and we'll get distribution of our brands through these outlets. In that sense, Heritage Fresh is a retail chain on its own, and it will continue to expand. Maybe we will become more aggressive in expansion than what Lokesh was. Although they have grown double the size in the last 18 months. We would like to grow maybe faster than that. I think we believe there is a very solid team out here who has done, I think in retail business to grow double in 18 months is a good achievement. And we would like to push the team to maybe achieve much more than this.
What is the number of stores Heritage is planning? And you said you want to go 3,000 stores.
I think we have an ambition of touching 4,000 stores, 1,000 through franchise network and 3,000 through building our own network.
Yes. So how many do you plan in future?
I think we are looking at 1,000 stores alone in the southern part of India on our own, and another 1,000 stores in the franchise network. So 2,000 stores out of the 4,000 stores ambition comes in the southern part of India for us, and 2,000 stores in the northern part of India, majorly.
And Lokesh,
I think the total numbers currently, we should be at around close to 700 stores.
Lokesh, what is the number you are looking at? 25 stores is really offering, you said. That's what Mr. Kishore Biyani said.
Heritage currently has 124 stores.
Yeah.
We hope to close the year with 145 stores. Okay. So subsequent growth will depend on future.
We will discuss with them and make the growth plans, but it would be definitely be a little bit more aggressive. Like even in Easy Day, in the last 6 months, we opened more than 60 stores. I think it's not in southern states, it's all over the country. We have 700 small stores, including Nilgiri's, Aadhar, Easy Day, Sabka Bazaar, and now Heritage.
Small format stores.
Small formats.
So that would go to 2,000 stores.
That our aim is to take it to 4,000. 3,000 run by us and 1,000 run by franchises. 2021.
These are all small format.
Only small formats.
Right now, how much is the small format store contribute towards the retail?
I think it's less than around 11%, 10-11%. In the longer term, I believe small stores and the large store businesses will be equal by 2021. I think large stores by 2021 should be doing a business of around close to 22 to 24,000 crores. And the small stores will be also doing similar kind of business.
What kind of investment will go into coming for expanding so many stores?
I think we have a stated ambition of spending 300 to 500 crores a year on expansion for large stores and big stores, for big stores and small stores together. Yeah.
Per year till 2021.
Yeah, till 2021.
Dairy business, as quite a few of you know, being in Hyderabad, was started in 1992 by my father. We are now second generation into the business. We are now a pan-India player after the acquisition of Reliance Dairy. We've already been we were always a relatively pan-India player. We had operations in Delhi and Maharashtra. But with this acquisition, it helped us to focus now more on the western part of India. And our focus is to be a dairy business, a single line of business. And we intend to consolidate.
Right, and now I'm joined by Priya, Sheth, in fact, who brought us that story in the first place. Priya, firstly, you got that one right, and what are the other details that you're picking up pertaining to this deal that we've just seen?
All right, as we just saw, Kishore Biyani mentioned that they are looking at ramping up the small-scale, small store network massively. But of course, just to take you through what the deal really is, Future Retail has signed an agreement to purchase the retail arm of Heritage Foods. That's Heritage Fresh. Remember, there are 124 stores that will be added to Future Retail's network. And this, of course, will consolidate their position in South India. In fact, do remember that the Future Group had purchased Nilgiris in South India in 2014. So this is definitely adding more muscle to the South India network. Also, as part of this deal, we understand that Future Retail will issue about 1.78 crore shares to shareholders of Heritage Foods. Also, this deal is likely to be completed over the next 6 to 8 months. Of course, it's under, depending on the regulatory approvals that will come through. But of course, this deal is a win-win for both companies. As far as Future Retail is concerned, one, it will strengthen their position, and also it will, further Kishore Biyani's vision of achieving 3,000 to 4,000 stores by 2021. As far as Heritage Foods is concerned, it will help them focus on the core dairy business, and therefore they had been looking at spinning off this part of their retail business for some time, as we had reported earlier. So therefore it's quite an interesting deal, and this clearly signifies that there is more consolidation that will come through as far as the grocery space is concerned.